Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, this 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 here 128 has been doing quite fine. There it is. World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore. Now, I had a funny thing happen. I went downstairs where I had a box from a Commodore 128. I thought, great, I should look at this. It's been like I think I got it. I don't think I ever looked at it. And I thought, oh, that's not good. I should look at this. I went to move the box. Boy, it was heavy. And I thought, boy, there's got to be extra stuff in here. Well, it was all books and magazines, the whole box. So somewhere is 128 that I may or may not have looked at, and where, I don't know. So I did go into the pool room to look around, and I found some things. Some were missing a little chips. Some looked like they were there. Most had nothing written on them, which is disturbing. But then I did find this one. Works. Sid OK. March 2019. Now, boy, talk about, look at that. Bottom is lovely. The top, whew, that is yellow. This, oh, and it's got like shadows here. You can see that it was sat in the sun. We've got shadows. Anyway, and some of the keys are yellowed and some are not, but supposedly it works. Supposedly. So I think what I'm going to do, set that down here and pull things out of here. Remember, we're ready to go on the Edicon. Now, did we update this? Yellowed. We have not updated this. 80. Mode. Okay. You know what? I'm so fast at typing. Writing is just so slow. Keyboard. Okay. Test machine. Okay. Ta-da. So this is the one. So I'm going to leave that sitting there. And then I'm going to reach down here. So 6 years ago, this worked. 6 years ago. And I would like to think that I have done something with it since then. But I don't believe it. I believe I probably wrote on it and set it aside and said, yeah, I'm going to get back to that. And I never did. Okay, this thing, where to go? It's challenging to get in. Okay, so first, they're all connected. I'll turn it on. Oh, push in the button. There's 128 mode. Press the reset. We'll hold down the Commodore key. There's 64 mode. We'll push down the 4080 display. We'll watch it come up with nothing. There it is. So indeed, it's been, yeah, many years. But it does seem to be okay. So let's see here. We'll put in the retro rewind 4-in-1 diagnostic tool. Oh yeah. Back. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, right. Reset. hang on here. Diagnostics down. Oh, well, that's interesting. Sometimes could be the port's a bit dirty. There we go. So we'll have a go. Yeah, this is really yellowed. Incredibly yellowed. I wish I'd put it on the table earlier. It's now, it's getting towards the fall. Anyway, this too, I suspect, will be a good machine to test things in when we get our data card out. Commodore 128. Badly. Yellowed. Works in all modes. Which, of course, when I really think about it, there's also CPM mode. Never used this 128 in CPM mode. Never will. Nice thought. Badly yellowed. Oh. Did. Okay. At least I think it was. Yes. Said okay. Now I suppose what I should do, because I'm here, I can just turn it back on. We'll just go for regular 128 mode, and we'll run through the keys. Isn't that interesting? In 40 column mode, when you do the shift Commodore, it switches the whole screen, but not. Enter. Syntax error. That's a good caps lock. Does that work? It does. Shift lock. Does that work? It does. Can we change the color? Oh, did I? Yep, that works. That works. And then, oh. Look at that. I forgot all about that. Function keys that do things. Ooh. Alright, seems to work. Cursors. Yep, no oh, okay. Well, I guess that stays down. Line feed. Help, help, help. Caps lock. Okay, so it would appear that the keyboard is okay. Test machine. It's funny, because I'm pretty sure, that I had some of the chips out of one of these machines, out of a 128, sitting there, a monitor, and then the monitor squished a bunch of pins, and that was sad, and I think I did what I could to sort things out, but I never really, did much more. I think probably I didn't know where the machine was, so I guess it will be soon chip testing time. So, oh, it's funny, look at how pretty that is on the bottom, and how yellow it is on the top. So, now, I'm pulling this thing off. It's been there for 6 years. The tape is actually pretty fine. Of course, I could always stick it back on to show the history. I could. Tape. Come on, tape. Well, that's pretty fine. That can sit there. And the reason I'm taking it off, because of course it's covering up serial number CA20035570986. Lovely. Maybe I will pull that off. Maybe. And then oh, come on. Oh, there's the tape. There's the tape. All right. So, I did not intend to get into all of these, but, you know, things happen. So, and as this is now historical, I wrote it 6 years ago. How is it? I always get things bent upwards. All right, now I'm not going to open this at this moment. I'm going to go hunting. Because I know somewhere out there, there's other 128s. There are. So, I'm going to see about that. Oh, yeah. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day, and we'll see what else we find when I head back to the pool room. Stay tuned. Bye for now.